on the 7 practice DL.
I haven't even been there the whole time.
Good cat.
Heck yeah.
What do you think about a C in the outfield?
I think it'd be cool, but like you said, if it's like from the edge of the infield to I don't know.
We'll see.
Simon's always wanted one behind home plate. He wanted a small one behind home plate.
That would look good.
Yeah.
Well, we ordered them from this company, and I'm pretty sure, I don't know like if you could get a specific size. I know that we have, the one we put on Shadowlands was the smaller one. It's pretty cool.
Right.
Did you already put the one on Shadowlands?
Yeah.
You know we have 2 games tonight, right?
Well, we don't work in the morning, so we just put it on there for homecoming.
Oh. Well, hopefully it's still there.
Hopefully.
There's no games tomorrow. I don't know how you hit those. Bam!
I can't hit the hard ones.
Oh.
Good hit.
Oh, is that me?
It's
Oh, man. I already hit you in your calf.
that's 3 for today.
I felt so bad for Morgan when she got hit in the knee last scrimmage. It's like, ow.
I was gonna say, I didn't hit Morgan.
No, in the scrimmage.
I used to feel bad, but then you just have to get over it. Because the more you try not to,
The more you do. Good hit.
Cat.
Good hit.
That's the one we don't understand.
What?
That's the one we don't understand how to get.
Yeah.
You got it.
There you go. Go through it.
You got it.
Sorry, you're just slicing it.
Yeah, Cap.
I really think that her barrel hit the ground.
I did too. I heard it. She golfed it.
Here you go. Come on, Kat. Get this one.
Yeah, Cap. Good job.
One more.
Yeah, Cat. Good hit. Good job.
Yeah, there.